Welcome. If you want your Telegram account to automatically delete itself after a year of inactivity, you're in the right place. Maybe you're taking a break from messaging, or you just want to keep your digital footprint tidy. Either way, Telegram makes it easy to set your account to self-destruct after a set period. Here's how you can set it up step by step with the latest instructions for 2025. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Once you're in, look at the top left corner and tap the 3 horizontal lines. This icon opens the main menu. From the menu, select Settings. This is where you can control your account, privacy, and security preferences. Next, tap on Privacy and Security. This section is all about keeping your account safe and managing what happens if you stop using Telegram. Now scroll down until you see the option labeled Delete My Account. Here, you'll find a setting that says If away for, with a time period next to it. This is Telegram's inactivity timer. Tap on this option. A list of time frames will appear: 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, and 1 year. To have your account automatically deleted after a year of not using Telegram, select 1 year from the list. Once you've picked your preferred time frame, your changes are saved automatically. What does this mean? If you don't log into your Telegram account for a full year, your account, including all your messages, contacts, and data, will be permanently deleted. There's nothing else you need to do. Just remember, if you log back in before the year is up, the timer resets, and your account stays active. This feature is a great way to make sure your information doesn't linger online if you're no longer using Telegram. So, set it and forget it. Your privacy is in your hands. Thanks for watching. And be sure to check back for more up-to-date tech tips.